In this video, we are going to draw the Lewis structure of HF molecule. Students, to draw the Lewis structure of HF molecule, first of all, we have to calculate total number of electrons. Total number of electrons. Students, we know that hydrogen is present in group 1, so hydrogen atom provide 1 electron. And fluorine is present in group 17, it provide 7 electron for bonding. So total number of electrons is equal to 8. Students, we have to distribute 8 electrons between one of the hydrogen and one fluorine atom. So hydrogen and fluorine. First of all, a pair of electron is used to make a single covalent bond. In this covalent bond, 1 electron is provided by fluorine and 1 electron is provided by hydrogen atom. And we know that a single covalent bond contains 2 electrons. Now we have 6 electrons. Just we know that hydrogen complete its duplet because fluorine provide 1 electron, hydrogen provide 1 electron. So 2 electrons are present between hydrogen and fluorine atom. In this case, hydrogen complete its duplet. So remaining 6 electron present on fluorine atom as a lone pair or as a non-bonding electron. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Two, 4, 6, 8. In this way, fluorine completes its octet and hydrogen completes its duplet. Fluorine completes its octet and hydrogen completes its duplet. Students, now we have to calculate formal charge on fluorine and hydrogen atom. Students, we know that formal charge is equal to number of valence electrons minus bonds minus dots. So for hydrogen atom, we know that every hydrogen atom provide 1 electron, make 1 covalent bond, and number of dot is equal to 0. So formal charge on hydrogen is equal to 0. Now we have to calculate formal charge on fluorine. Students, we know that fluorine provide 7 valence electron. 7 minus bond, it make 1 covalent bond minus 6 dots, 2, 4, 6. So students, formal charge on fluorine also is equal to 0. That's why HF molecule is a neutral molecule. And this is the best Lewis structure for HF molecule. Okay, dear students, wish you all the best.